Welcome to Motivation Matrix. Today I am telling you the morning routine that changed my life. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Imagine waking up with purpose, energy, and focus. Today, I'm going to share the morning routine that completely transformed my life. These simple yet powerful steps can help you maximize your day, boost your productivity, and improve your overall well-being. Let's dive in. It all begins with intention. The first thing I do every morning is wake up at a consistent time, even on weekends. Why? Because consistency creates stability. For me, waking up at 6 a.m. has been a game changer. Find a time that works for you and stick to it. Pro tip: place your alarm clock across the room so you're forced to get out of bed. This simple hack reduces the temptation to hit snooze and helps you start the day on the right note. After waking up, the first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Think about it. Your body has gone hours without hydration while you were sleeping. Drinking water in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and wakes up your system. Actionable tip: add a slice of lemon to your water for an extra boost of vitamin C and flavor. Next, it's time to move. You don't need to run a marathon or hit the gym for hours. A quick 10 to 15 minutes of stretching, yoga, or light exercise can do wonders for your body and mind. Movement helps you shake off any grogginess, improves circulation, and releases endorphins that make you feel amazing. Example: my go-to is a 10-minute yoga flow followed by a short walk outside. It's a simple routine that clears my mind and energizes me for the day. Before diving into the chaos of the day, I take a few moments for mindfulness. This could be meditation, deep breathing, or simply sitting in silence. I also spend a minute writing down 3 things I'm grateful for. Practicing gratitude shifts your mindset and sets a positive tone for the day. Example: some days I'm grateful for big things, like my family or career. Other days it's the little things, like a good cup of coffee or a sunny morning. There's always something to appreciate. Now it's time to fuel up. Breakfast is your first opportunity to nourish your body and set the tone for healthy choices throughout the day. My breakfast usually includes a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep me full and focused. Example: one of my favorites is avocado toast with eggs and a side of fruit. It's quick, delicious, and packed with nutrients. The secret to a successful morning routine isn't perfection. It's consistency. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 habits and build from there. Over time, these small changes will compound into something truly transformational. Example: when I first started, I only focused on waking up early and drinking water. Once those habits felt natural, I added mindfulness and exercise. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it. Don't forget to subscribe to Motivation Matrix for more powerful tips and stories to keep you motivated. Let's turn our failures into triumphs together.